Okay, this is a little video I'm putting together for an eBay sale. This is a JVC Mini DVD, or excuse me, a Mini DV camcorder. And you can see the model there, I think. It's, don't want to blur it out, model number GR-D320E, and you can see the serial number quite clearly. Okay, so let me just show you some of the functionality. To put the cassette in, and this uses cassettes, it uses these mini DV cassettes. This one is, I guess, 60 minutes each. And you just push the button here and lift up like this, and you'll see it raises up, pops up like that, and then you can take the cassette out like so and stick it back in there. Let's see, I'm trying to do this one-handed. Alright, and push it down like this, and then it goes back in there, and then you shut it. Okay, and just to show you some of the functionality, I'm going to try and do this without dropping this other camera I'm using to film this with. Okay, so first you turn it on and off over here. This is record and play. It has basically two functions. So first I'll flick it downwards to play. See the light come on, makes a little noise. And then you can either look through the viewfinder here, if you pull that out like so, and then it lights up inside. You can see that in there. You adjust the focus with this little thing here. And or you can, of course, the preferred way is to pull out the little screen here. Let's see if I can again do this with one hand. Just a second. Sorry for the moving all over here. Okay, and if you fold that out, you can see there's a screen that comes out. You can tilt it, and if you want to play, you rewind, fast forward, and everything here. If you push play, for example, and we should see some video. Okay, and that's me, I think, actually recording an eBay arrival to make sure it was okay. You can hear the volume, it's fine. You adjust the volume actually here with the zoom control. See, it gets louder, or it can get, now it's muted. Okay, we can fast forward while it's playing. You can see that's working just fine. And of course we can rewind it as well if we want to back it up. You see that works fine as well. And back to play. Okay, and then stop is here. And of course if you want to rewind or fast forward the tape, you just use the same controls. Let's see, now it's fast forwarding. You can see the, I don't know if how well you can see the counter there or not. Okay, there you go. And same thing if I stop it and then rewind. You can see the counter go again, and I can push play. And here we go. And let's see. That is me trying to erase tape. Let me go back. Just so you know, it's working alright. Let's see. Let's try that. Okay, and then there's me opening another eBay package again. Okay. Anyway, so you can see that the camera functions just fine. You can also, of course, record with it. That's kind of the purpose. And you just switch. You can see it says record and play here, and you just switch that like so. And there's a button here that will toggle playing and pausing right here. And you can see now that we are recording, sort of. I'm not actually recording, But if I push the button right here, then I will be recording, and you can see it will change. If you look here, it says pause, and then if I push the button here, it makes a tone, and now you can see that it is in fact recording. And we can stop, and then I can of course switch over back to play, and the device will change over. Okay, we got a blue screen, and then I can play it, and I'll back it up to this very short portion that I just recorded for 1 second. Okay, and can't see that too well. Let's see. Okay, well there's what I just recorded a moment ago. You can see it's recorded that just fine. Okay, and we'll stop that. And then you can just turn it off in the middle position, you can see there. So I just move that like so. And now the camera is off. There's a red charger indicator here. The battery works fine. It was charged last night. And as you can see, well, here's the charger right there. And when you plug that into the camera, which I guess I might as well show you. Let's see. Let's plug it in here. Bring the camera. Plug that like so. If I can. Okay, so now the charger is plugged in, and you can see now that the little red light is flashing, which means that it is charging properly. Okay, you also get with this camera, besides the camera itself, battery, and here's the charger. Just pan that back a little. Okay, so we get the charger, we get the camera with the strap. There is no lens cover on it. That is the one thing you will have to find yourself. You can usually find those at old camera shops. It comes. There is one tape in it, but I'm going to take that out because that's just got me on there, and I don't want to send that to anybody. There are 2 of these Sony DV tapes, 60 minutes each. It also comes with a cleaning tape, which is actually very essential because actually I got this camera out again a year ago, and I found out that the video heads were quite dirty. It didn't play the tapes well, and I was nervous. I got this, I put it in there, ran it, and as you can see, it's working beautifully. It needs a FireWire adapter, which plugs in right here into the camera, and that is this very thick cable here that also comes with this eBay offer. And if your computer is not FireWire ready, you can use this FireWire card, which goes into your motherboard. And lastly, it comes with a video cable, which is the black cable here. It uses the small, I think it's an 8mm. Is it 8mm? I don't remember. But it uses one of these standard plug cables on this end, and then you've got stereo and video hookups, standard video hookups. I'm trying to grab it. Here it is. The white one for the video, yellow for the video, white and red for the left and right sound. And that plugs in the, there's a small port right there in the camera. So that is the eBay offer for one Sony DV camcorder, and again you can see, well, I hope you can see, the model number is GR-D320E, and that will be posted by the time you see this video. So good luck and happy bidding.